It's not for you. No, it's not for you. Sorry, buddy. Alright guys, so hello, welcome to another video. I thought today I would do another what I eat in a day video. This one's going to be a little bit different because this evening I'm going to a baby shower. It's my goddaughter's baby shower. She's having a baby number 3. Her parents, Malcolm and Charmaine, are two of my best friends, have been for many years. And I'm pretty excited to go to this gathering, not only to see everybody, but because usually when they put something on, Malcolm, who is a chef, makes the most incredible food. And it just so happens for the last few months, Malcolm and Charmaine have also been doing keto. They've lost quite a bit of weight, and I know that Malcolm plays around a lot with so many different recipes, and I know he just makes fabulous food. So I'm expecting there to probably be quite a few keto options tonight, and I thought it'd be fun to bring you along and see what there is. Anyways, so a quick snapshot of what I've already had today. I showed you in the video, I had my bullet coffee, and I woke up really hungry this afternoon. I worked graveyard last night, so I slept till about 1:30, had my bullet coffee, and then not too long after, within an hour, I just had about half a serving left of the keto chili that I made a few days ago. I'm going to do a recipe for that. It's absolutely incredible. I'll do a recipe video for that. But anyways, I finished that off. I had my electrolytes drink and my vitamins, and then I went and had a shower. I still felt really hungry, so I decided to have one of my Jello pudding fat bomb things. I don't know exactly what it's called. I made those a few days ago, so I had one of those. That helped a little bit, and then I just got myself out a big old bowl of chicken salad, got a spoon, probably ate about 7 spoonfuls of that. I love chicken salad, and that really did the trick. I'm feeling full, feeling satiated, and I'm getting ready to head on out. I've got to go find a little gift to bring on my way there, so I think I'm gonna stop at Winners Home Sense. I really like shopping there, so I'm thinking I can probably find something really cute there, and if not, maybe just a gift card. And then we're gonna head to my friends, and I'll take you with me, and I'll show you what kind of food they have there and what I eat. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's the next morning. I wasn't able to finish filming last night. I had such a great time with my friends last night. So many great keto options for food. So I thought I'd just come back in before I close up this video, just give you a bit of a rundown on what food I actually did eat while I was out last night. So as you saw, that amazing cauliflower bake, I ate a ton of that. I probably ate a quarter of that cauliflower to myself. It was the best cauliflower bake I have ever tasted in my entire life. I mean, I guess that's what you get when you have a friend who's a chef and also doing keto. So that was amazing. Some other stuff that I ate, there was a bunch of veggies and dips, so I had a lot of that. They had a bowl of moon cheese, pepper jack moon cheese, so good. I ate way more than that than I probably should have. What else did I eat? Oh, keto cheesecakes, little mini keto cheesecakes. I had 2. I did. Oh well, delicious. The other thing I did do, I had a bite of that velvet cake, red velvet cake, from a high-end restaurant downtown where my friend works. The bakery or the bakers made it for him as a gift. That cake is like a $300 cake, whatever. Maybe I'm justifying. I had a bite. Oh well, YOLO, right? You only live once. It was really good, but that's all I needed was one bite. Just wanted to taste it. So I went from there. I went to my work. Worked overnight, and the only other thing I had until today is one of those little ice drinks that I've filmed before, that I've mentioned before. I usually have one of those at 4 or 5 in the morning on the nights that I work graveyard shift, just to satisfy craving. I just always feel like I need something around that time, and it gets me through to the rest of my end of my shift. So that's what I ate yesterday. It was a pretty good day, I'd say. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Just trying to get things going here. I have so many more ideas for great videos to bring to you, and I'm really excited to be on this journey. So thanks for watching today, and I hope you have yourself a really great day.